Hello and welcome. This is Shani Nebnani and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Avalanche risk remained high in the Northern Alps on Monday after a weekend storm pummeled Central Europe with heavy snow, leaving several dead and trapping hundreds of tourists in alpine villages. About 6,000 residents and tourists became cut off in villages in the Styria region of Austria when roadways became impassable. Other villages in the Alps have also been cut off by snow-blocked roadways. Southern Germany into Austria has seen the greatest amounts of snow from this winter season, that is referred to as Ander in Europe. Some ski resorts have reported up to 7 feet of snow in higher elevations, which has forced some resorts to close. Public broadcaster reported that a 26-year-old man died on Sunday after being struck by an avalanche while skiing near the town of Snowstorm, Austria. The Hochker Alpine Road and the entire Hochker skiing region in Lower Austria were closed because of the high risk of avalanches. Residents and visitors were asked to leave the region by the end of the day. Around 40 rescuers are still searching for a pair of snowshoers that went missing near the town of Hohenberg, Lower Austria, reported APA, an Austrian news agency. Authorities said they are also monitoring for possible avalanches. The Mountain Rescue Service and the German Alpine Association warned against ski or hiking tours in unsafe areas. The avalanche danger in the Southern Alps is at level 4, the second highest warning level. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Shani Nebnani. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.